Here we'll look at probability of an event. If we look closely at a problem, as always, we've got a box filled with 6 brown cards, 2 green cards, and 12 blue cards. So we're going to choose a card at random from this box. What's the probability that it is not green? And of course our answer is going to be a fraction, always in simplest form. So if we look in there, we know that we've got 6 plus 2 plus 12 makes 20 cards altogether, because that's going to be important to know what the total is. And then 2 of them are green, so that means that 20 minus 2, or 18, are not green. So we need to figure out 2 things. We need to figure out, and this is a really important formula to understand. We always want to know what is the number of chances, or the number of items that we're looking for, over the total number. That's going to be our formula for finding that probability, right? So we're looking for how many are not green, and we have that. That's 18. That's what goes on top right here. And then how many altogether? 20. So we have 18 over 20, and of course that must be simplified. And as you know, 18 over 20, divide both by 2, and we get 9 over 10 is our final answer. Let's look at one more example. Here in this case, we've got a bag. It's got 19 cards, and they're numbered 1 through 19. If we randomly pick a card, what's the probability that it has an even number on it? Or in other words, what's the probability of getting an even number? So if we look at the numbers 1 through 19, then we can count up all the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 all together. That makes 9 of them. There's only 9 even cards out of the 19 total. So that's pretty straightforward. 9 even over 19 doesn't reduce, so that's our final answer. The probability of getting an even number is 9 out of 19. That's pretty much all it is. You follow this formula for each of those probability events, and make sure you simplify fractions.